Yes, you've said that you are looking for non-insurance large acquisitions to put that cash to work. And when you've said that, I've usually thought of the United States because you're a big fan of the U.S. business. And I just was wondering whether you're seeing more opportunities as the rest of the world opens up, grows, whether there's opportunities for some of those mega transactions in other parts of the world, say Asia or Europe.
Yeah, Gary, I would say that I've been disappointed in that because we do see some outside the United States, and thank heavens we saw the one we saw in Israel some years ago when Eitan wrote me a letter. And we bought a business which is a very important part of Berkshire now. But we are still not. They're certainly aware of Berkshire Hathaway outside the United States, but they don't sort of pick up the phone automatically. In the United States, I think any large, particularly private company that is thinking about doing something, they at least think about Berkshire. But that in Europe or Asia, that we are not embedded in the minds the same way. They know about us, they know we got a lot of money, and they know we like to buy things, but we're on the radar screen big time in the United States, and we don't, the immediate desire to be sure that they've thought about the Berkshire option does not occur the same way outside the United States. And we've tried to encourage it a few ways, but I would say that the results have not been great at all. But I hope tomorrow, I get a call from Germany or Britain or Italy or you name it, and Australia, wherever it may be, and I hope I get a call and we get an opportunity to do it. There's a good many countries we'd be quite happy to put substantial money into it. And like I say, our experience in Israel has been just terrific. Charlie?
Yeah, but the corporate acquisition game now is so driven by the leveraged buyout and the so-called, what do they call them? Strategic, yes, strategic. I usually translate that into barnyard language. And there's so much craziness in price from our viewpoint. Of course it's very hard for us to do it. The people in the leveraged buyout game who love massive leverage and don't mind high prices, even they are getting nosebleeds. It's hard. And it's not an environment that means that allows Berkshire just to go out and buy a whole lot of companies.
Have we ever made a strategic deal
we have to wait.
We made a strategic deal that you can remember? Have we ever made a deal that we would have regarded as strategic?
We've never had a strategic plan unless you've hidden it from me.
Okay, that answers that. Station 6.